Hey everybody, Eric here again. Today I want to talk about how Bitcoin could be the end of entrepreneurship and what America's all about. I know this may not be a popular subject, but let's talk about it. Please like, share, subscribe. If it brought you value, that'd be great. If you want to create discussions, that'd be great too. So leave those comments down below. All right, so let's jump right into it. This is a touchy subject because and maybe even unpopular because everybody loves Bitcoin right now. You cannot turn around and not see somebody talking about Bitcoin. But let's talk about how this could be the end of entrepreneurship and some other things that it's causing problems. So first of all, at this time, there is almost nowhere for you to invest your money. It's very difficult. So for anybody that's making any kind of money, who's had a business, bonds are not a great area. Real estate is really expensive right now. Stock market, a lot of people are putting their money in there, but it's still, unsure. People believe that it's kind of overvalued right now. So a lot of people don't know where to put their money. And then there's a bunch of uncertainty when it comes to taxes and everything else this year. So then there's cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. And why this could be alarming is, so let's look at Tesla. Tesla a few weeks ago took a bunch of their money that's sitting in their bank account for operational costs and things like that, and they bought Bitcoin. And so far, they are on track to make more money in Bitcoin profits this quarter than they will by making cars. Now that's the problem that I'm talking about here. If entrepreneurs, if business owners aren't incentivized to reinvest in their business or start businesses, that's going to be a big problem. I mean, think about it. If Tesla's going to make more money by just investing their money than making cars and employing all of these people, why would they want to keep doing that? I mean, obviously they're probably going to keep doing that, but why would you want to? So let's look at a smaller business. If you've got a business owner that's been fairly successful and they have the opportunity right now to either reinvest in their current business or invest in Bitcoin and make a much larger return. No employees to worry about, no, weird tax structures to worry about right now. Why not? So that's why everybody's going into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, and it keeps going up, 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 and up. So why would anybody that's entrepreneur that creates stuff want to mess with the mess of employing people and the hardship? I mean, entrepreneurship is a grind. It is not easy. Why would anybody want to do that when they can just as easily go out there and invest the money, raise the money, and boom, you make more money? This is not the only company. Tesla is not the only company doing this. Other larger companies are doing this. There is another company that I cannot remember the name of right now that has declining revenues and had $1 billion valuation last year, invested their balance sheet into Bitcoin, and has made more money in Bitcoin than any other product that they've ever developed. And they're now worth $5 billion. Yeah, the company is now a $5 billion company because of their investment in Bitcoin. Again, this is what America was built on: building things, entrepreneur, spirit, understanding that, hey, we create things, we innovate, and we get rewarded for those things. But right now, you get rewarded by investing that money into Bitcoin and not doing anything. That means less people are going to be employed. That means less products are going to be made. And that means less innovation is going to happen. And I've got news for you. Countries are not valued on how much and how good of an investor you are. It's valued on how much you produce as a company, how many things you invent. Do we see the problem? Could this be the end? Could the situation that we've got right now be the end of the America that we know it? I mean, this is huge. And, we're hearing this everywhere. There's groups, there's lots of entrepreneur groups that I'm in. And the number one topic is Bitcoin. How much are you investing or swing trading or whatever in the market? How fast can you make your money? Right now, we are a society that is rewarding people to be good investors, not be good inventors, good product producers. This is going to be a huge problem as more and more people check out of the entrepreneurial marketplace and they start investing their time and their knowledge and their money, this is going to get worse. We're going to have less innovation here. And we've got these other countries that are just going to overtake us with that thought. I don't know that there's a simple answer, but this is a scary trend. That's assuming that Bitcoin isn't a massive bubble. And again, I know this is not a popular subject right now because everybody loves Bitcoin. Everybody's talking about the Bitcoin. It's like, how much Bitcoin do you own? And that's part of the problem. We're taking these people and their minds and their ideas off of the market, and that's going to put us in danger, both as a global leader in technology and things like that, but also internally. We're not going to become a society of producers anymore. I am deeply troubled. I'd like to hear what your comments are, things like that, things that you're seeing. If you have been in a group that hasn't said, hey, how about that Bitcoin, you may be living under a rock. But anyway, do me a favor, comment in this section below. Tell me what you're hearing. Tell me what you think. Let's have a good conversation about this, because as long as we're just like, yeah, go Bitcoin, and everybody's that way, every enterprise, not just the couple that we're seeing right now, are going to take all of their money and put it in Bitcoin and not build anything. That's not what America is all about. What does that mean for our future? Anyway, thank you for watching today. Hopefully this brought you some value and started thinking, hey, this could be the bubble, this could be the problem. I don't know. But anyway, please, if this brought you value, like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching, and into the next video.